Welcome to Beach Walk with Olivia. Today I walk the shores of Biograd, Croatia, a town of kings and sailors, a town of sun and sea. Come with me, let's walk together. The morning rises soft and bright. The sea in Biograd holds the light. Waves are calm, the breeze is free. This is Olivia's walk by the sea. Pebbles shimmer, cicadas sing. I hear the echo of everything, from ancient days to modern time. Biograd's story becomes mine. Beach walk with Olivia along the Adriatic shore. Biograd, you shine with grace. I couldn't ask for more. History lives in every stone, but peace is what I find. Beach walk with Olivia, with the sea and summer combined. Once a royal town, a crown it wore. Kings were crowned here long before. The 11th century called this home a seat of rulers, sea and throne. Sailors left for distant lands, fishing nets and weathered hands. And still today the harbor shows the life the Adriatic always knows. Beach walk with Olivia, where past and present meet. Biograd, your gentle waves fall softly at my feet. The islands watch across the bay. Poshman and Cornetti stay. Beach walk with Olivia, I could walk here every day.
Plivaš si još zadnji put, ajde, do rujna.
Mislim, on još ima da završi dosta, ali moći će sledeće godine raditi. Meni se kaže najviše
Wow!
At the end of day, cafes hum with voices near, and laughter lingers in the air. Olive oil and local wine, grilled fish tastes of summertime. Croatia's heart beats soft yet strong. Biograd sings a timeless song. With Olivia, a moment soft, serene. Biograd, your sea and sun feel brighter than a dream. Every wave remembers, every breeze is new. Beach walk with Olivia, I share this walk with you. This was Olivia's walk by the sea, here in Biograd, Croatia. Thank you for joining me. Until next time, let the waves carry your heart.